from Tajmotormedics. I've got a Honda Civic here on a 2009 plate. Now this is a part 4, we're doing a rear tail light, which is a position lamp on the rear. That one there isn't working, so this has got more than one. So the outside one's working, but the inside one isn't. As you can see there, that one's working and that one's working. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how to replace this as well as the number plate as well. So the main focus we're doing on this is the number plate light and the position lamp. I'm going to replace both of the bulbs. They're both the same 501 bulbs needed. You'll find a link in the description. If you did want one, click on the link, you'll get it. And there are other parts like for the front. Offside front, we've done a position lamp. Near side front, we've done a position lamp. Near side rear, we've done a number plate light, sorry. Now we're doing this side, so the offside rear. So what you got to do first is to remove this cover right here. So you need a flat screwdriver. So you slot the screwdriver in there and then pull the whole thing out. Just going to switch the lights off. So what we do first is we do the position lamp first. So this is where is it one? Okay, I think it's this one here. No, it's not that one, is it? No, I think it's that one, no. Oh, there. So that's the one we're replacing. So that's the position lamp right there. So I'm going to twist that to my left. It's not doing it. So what I do, I take this one out first. Take the whole thing out, and that's the bulb we need to replace. I then twist that to my left. I need a bit of a good angle on this. That's it. They do get a bit tight. Just be careful, there are sharp edges here as well, so you can hurt yourself when you're doing it. Take the bulb out. And then put the new one in. That's it. And then slot the bulb in, and remember the sail as well. So this is the rear tail light we're doing at the moment. That's it, that's done. I know, so I'm assuming this is the fog lamp, which is working as well, and that'd be a 582 bulb. If you needed that, that'd be in the link. In the link I'll be putting up, it'll be in there as well. So I just need to get this right. That's it, job done. Now we're doing the number plate, which is right on this side here. So if I twist that to my left, pull the whole thing out, get the bulb out, got a new one, slot the bulb in, job done. And just remember the seal, and then twist that to my right. So that's all in as well. When I took the fog light out on this one here, there was no seal on there as well, so I'm not sure whether it comes with a seal or not, but this one definitely didn't have it, but the other two did. And if you did want to replace this bulb at the same time, which is again I think it's a 944 bulb, I'm not sure, but that'll be in the link. So if I put this back in there, that'd be for the reverse light as well. That's it. So put the cover back on. So you got to slot this in like this, and that's it, and then just follow it all the way through. Job done. I'm going to switch the lights on. Right here, so that one there is working, as well as this as well now. So you can see you've got 2 and 2, and both of the number plate lights as well. They're all working now. Now this was a part 4 for Honda Civic 2009 plate. If there is anything you need to know, comment us below. We'll try helping you as much as we can. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like the video, thank you, and goodbye.